Go. Walk normal, Shamaya. You don't want to mess with your toes? Let me see your toes. Let me see your fingers. Let me see. There. You don't want to mess it up? We got to clean up. Come on, let's clean up. Come on. Where's the thing at? I think I put it in my room. Hold on. Yep. Here. Here, put them in here. Yeah. Clean up. At church. You can do more than that.